Hi, welcome to another video with Miss T Ideas. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here since day one or just got here the other day, hey, welcome back. I appreciate you guys so much. You're so faithful. I appreciate you guys. Okay, today I want to show you what I've been working with down behind the scenes. I've been doing a little arts and craft. I love to use stencils. Y'all know I love stencils. And I've stenciled this out, and I love stencils of people, and I've been painting it, and I love that. I have more than one like this. It's some different people, but I gave it to my granddaughter, the one that's, she sketches. She's 7 years old, but she's good. Matter of fact, she seen this, and she was in awe, because disbelief, like, you've done that. She didn't say that, but she had a look on her face like, you know how the kids do us. Yeah, well, you didn't know I could do this, and I didn't let her know it was a stencil, because she sketched things out at 7. Anyway, I gave it to her. All right. I've been inking too. This is another stencil of this face I drew. I'll put some lashes on it, and I'm gonna paint it. I'm show it to you when I get through painting it, okay? This is gonna be a part of my arts and craft thing. This lady here, okay, second you will, huh? You know. This is another one. Stencil that I have. I like, when I have downtime, I can always stencil. This here, that's a mermaid, huh? It almost looked like the Starbucks lady on that cup on the slick. Really? Y'all see that? Okay. Now, y'all, this is my prize. I coffee dyed these papers sometime back, and I did a video of it, but I used my stamps and my stencils, and I made this paper. Isn't that pretty? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a junk journal out of this paper here. I need to copy some of it. This is another sheet. I love the way it came out, y'all. And like I said, I just took stencils and I put it different ways on the paper. You can use one stencil and you could do it different ways on the paper. I'm going to show you one day exactly from start to finish. And I'm sure a lot of people know. This here, you kind of see the embossment of the stencil, because that's what I was trying to do. I have some papers that are embossed, or it shows the stencil, but I didn't want to use them because I didn't, this is a different reason here. But some of them made the cut just by accident. You can kind of see the stencil print. Yep, this is ink and iron and stamps. I love it. I think it came out so nice. Okay, this is another lady here. I gotta paint her and, touch her up. And I'm gonna put this in my art journal. I do have an art journal. I got videos of it. I'm gonna have to bring it out again. This is my stamp paper, and I just did one side of it, because that's a lot of ink. One side is fine. This is a ledger paper. And this is not, I made this vintage. It wasn't vintage. A ledger paper. Got the inking, the coffee dye came out great. The inking prints came out great. I'm gonna have to copy some of this. Okay, that's it. My ledger paper. I think I've showed you everything. All of my people and stuff. And this is something, and y'all know I'm working on, I've been inking. When I start inking, I ink. I'm making some windows. I'm making some windows. Coming to a city near you. I'm make a video out of that. I'm making windows. And this here is made out of paint chip cards. Right on it if you want to in the back. I'm gonna put it on something. I'm making windows out of paint chip cards. This is paint sample cards. This is Miss T Ideas. If you like my video, please hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the like button. If you was here for it, I appreciate you so much. I appreciate your time. Hit the like button. Share and subscribe. It helps the algorithm. And I appreciate you so, so much. Thank you so much for watching, for being here. I love you guys. And I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye-bye.